All right, y'all, the M3 is going in for tint as always over at my boys over at APS. The car currently has tint on it. I think it's like a super light shade. I want to say like, what you think, like 50, 70-ish?
Yeah, it looks
something
like
like
50 on the windshield, 70 on the rest.
Yeah, so the previous owner did a super light shade, but you already know, I gotta do the Chris Borges special here. 20% windshield, 5% sides. Heck yeah, man, it's gonna look so aggressive with all the windows blacked out. I was close, not gonna lie, to keeping it fishbowl just for the interior, but I don't know. Gotta black them out though. Yeah, because with the clear windows, you can see, you know, the red seats, the interior is so fire in this car. Alright, got food for the boys.
Yeah,
damn, back windows already done?
All done.
Jeez.
Just gotta clean it, but yeah, 5%.
You wanna tell them what happened? So it's like pretty much 10-year-old tint, huh?
Dude, last year's
bro, I feel so bad, dude.
Yeah, it was a bunch of glue. It looked like boogers, but yeah, we got everything off and then we retinted it 5%.
Damn, 5% on the rears. Alright, y'all, just been chilling here, editing the video before the video you guys are watching right now. So this is when I took my shop neighbor on a ride along in the M3. So freaking hilarious. If you guys did not see this video, check this out. This is just so freaking comedy. But yeah, just been editing up this video while they tint the M3. Again, massive shout out to Automotive Protective Solutions. They're always taking care of the whips, man. The M3, the VBWX, the freaking BRZ, what else, the Mustang, literally like all my builds, they've taken care of the tint. So if you guys need any work done, they do tint, PPF, wraps. I'll put their Instagram right here on the screen. And if you want the Chris special, you know, the 20% on the windshield and the 5 all around limo, let them know. They'll take care of you and tell them that I sent you. But check out the M3, bro. Yo, that is freaking dark. Oh my gosh. Damn, check it out, bro. Damn. Oh my gosh. That looks insane. Oh my gosh, what do you guys think? Comment down below, dude. Dude, look at this. You can't even see him in the freaking driver's seat. Bro, this looks freaking hard, dude.
Yes,
oh my gosh.
Yeah, that definitely needed a
yo.
outlook.
Nah, that was definitely the move. I was on the fence, you know, keeping it fishable, but nah, check this out with the freaking satin paint. That is so tough. You guys killed it, man.
You,
that's so
Appreciate
freaking sick.
Thank you.
You guys killed it, man. Thank you, man. That looks so good. Damn.
Here comes the B-roll.
The B-rolls, I know, right? I'm gonna freaking cue the B-roll right here. Check it out, boys. We got the M3 in the shop. First time this car has been in the shop. A couple days have passed, but in the previous clips, we got this car tinted. Now keep in mind, this is with massive LEDs shining literally right into the car. And look, you still cannot see through it. So 20% windshield, got 5% on the side. Like, dude, you can't even, if you could try as hard as you want, you cannot see in there. But yeah, fresh tints on the side and the windshield. Looks so much more aggressive. And I mean, you guys already know, it's a given. The first thing I do to the cars, you guys in the reveal video were like already guessing the next video, like, oh, next video is gonna be tinting my windshield, making the M3 illegal, this and that. Now that we got that taken care of, I really wanna focus on the wheel fitment. The car has coilovers on it already, so it's pretty low. It's at a good height actually. Probably a height I would actually do, you know, if it was stock and I had to lower it. So it's at a good height. This is the rears. Rears are pretty much tucking. It's pretty low, but it's on JRZ coilovers. I heard that's a super good coilover for BMWs. I like the ride height, but the wheel fitment has to be worked on, especially the rears. Yeah, Definitely gotta fix that, bro. It's not acceptable. So, hopped on Amazon and actually ordered some wheel spacers. I'll have a link down below. Got these primed because we have to fix that wheel fitment ASAP. But yeah, check it out. We got some 15 mil spacers. I think this is gonna be for the rear. Then we also got 12 mil. So I think the 12s I'm gonna put on the front and then 15s in the rear. We'll see how it looks. I also didn't know, but it comes with a pack of extended lug bolts. Now, I'm so used to the Subaru, you know, cars, so we don't have lug bolts. So these cars don't have studs. You know, you put the wheel on the stud and then the lug nut on top of the stud. These cars don't have that. Obviously, a Euro car, so they have lug bolts instead. So very different from, you know, the typical thing I guess we see on the channel and on the Subarus. I know in the last video I talked about too getting a stud conversion kit for the car. Originally, I was just gonna put this kit on. So this is the stud conversion kit. It gets rid of the whole lug bolt idea on this car. So you can actually put studs on your BMW. So instead of a lug bolt, you can screw on a stud. You put Loctite on them, this and that. I actually got this from Motorsport Hardware. I don't know, I'm gonna need your guys' help. I heard mixed reviews about stud kits. People saying it adds just, you know, another area for failure, this and that. I don't know, I never did a stud conversion kit before. Let me know down in the comments, should I do this instead or should I just run extended lug bolts on the car? I don't know. You guys let me know. Are you guys running stud kits on your BMW or Supra or Euro? Curious to see what you guys think down in the comments. Have you had any issues of them backing out, this and that? Because I've been thinking, like, I don't know, like if I have a stud and I impact, you know, the lug nut, I was thinking like, does that come off easy? Do they back out a lot? Do you have to retorque them? I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section below. What do you guys think of stud kits? Maybe for a different video, we can install that stud kit. But for now, we'll just run the extended lug bolt situation with our spacers. So let's get this car in the air and take the wheels off and get its fitment looking right. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna try the 12 mil up front and then the rears, we'll do the 15. Now worst case, if it's too much, then I could just switch off either the front or the rear. All right, but yeah, here's the suspension. The JRZ RS's. So JRZ RS's, I don't know much about them, but I heard good things about them. Oh my, dude, look at the rear. Yo.
Hey. I don't think that'll work.
Oh my god. Nah, that is, I don't think that's gonna work, bro. It's gonna go lower too. I don't know, would it? Dude,
Is that a 15 in the rear?
Whoa! Yeah, it's a 15.
Why don't you throw a 12 in the back?
I can, like switch them? Like 15 front? Looks good though.
I think if you had a 275, you'd be. What
Gosh,
is
that
this?
looks crazy.
295, 35? Yeah.
295. I'm gonna put the 15 in the front because the fronts could definitely use a little bit more. But like, check out the rear too. Oh, this looks so good, but I feel like it's just gonna rub. The bumper tab is already sitting on the tire, so 15s are here, so I think I'm gonna switch this one out with a 12. That should give me like a couple millimeters of clearance. And then put these 15s on the front. And then the fronts will look much better. I mean, the fronts already look solid like that. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this? I mean, yeah, the fitment is off. Like, this is actually, look.
I think from a non-BMW
it's peeling off.
BMW guy myself. Hey.
You don't like it?
Shit.
Hey, I think wingless would look tough.
Look, honestly, I feel like I
You
got
don't like
tired
the
of like
swoop?
the whole slit.
Yeah.
I feel like
If it was like this the whole way, like the middle part, it would look fire.
It's kind of booty.
I think wingless would look fire right now.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, I can
let's
see
try
it
it.
now.
Let's just pull it off, bro.
Oh.
Oh, I'm gonna have to take all this off though. Oh my.
The whole paint comes off.
Dude, chill.
The wrap?
Oh, it's a wrap frozen or
Imagine right now it's a wrap. Nah,
It's a mess though.
Oh yeah, this is tough.
Put this on the vet. Or put this on your car. Oh wait, don't you already have one? Yeah, low key.
It's like a 328 now.
Bro, chill. Yeah, only flaw is this. They like, whoever installed this like did not line it up. Like it's like rubbing the paint. A little Sharpie right there. Can't notice anything. Then obviously you gotta take off all this 3M, but no, wingless is tough. I like it. Definitely much cleaner. Alright guys, so you guys saw freaking all the 3M tape on the trunk after taking off the spoiler. I got this thing, I've had it for like years, but I don't know how it works. It just magically works, but it takes off all of that like sticker residue. We're gonna take all that off with this little wheel. Alright y'all, so doing a little test drive, getting some ice cream in the M3, but I'm definitely rubbing a little bit in the rears. I mean, if I were to raise the car a little bit, the rubbing would definitely go away. Everybody outside, that's crazy. Bro, that is too loud. Oh my gosh, I'm rubbing. You guys hear that? So bad. Bro, that's so loud, dude. That bike is so fire. Bro, this thing sounds so crazy. It's so loud. I don't know, I don't trust myself on one of these.
Bro,
What'd you do? Just like an exhaust? What'd you do to it? Or just stock? Exhaust tune, everything? Oh shoot.
It's not full bolt-ons yet, so it'll come.
Yeah, I don't know anything about bikes, bro. You have to teach me, bro.
You got a T-shoe?
What's the strap? What does the strap do?
It'll lower the front end so it don't wheelie.
Oh, really? Dude, that thing is crazy, though. I don't trust myself on a bike, though. Damn, check out the M3, though. Spacers, fitment on point with the spacers. And then the freaking windshield tint, or the new tints in general. Damn, bro, this thing is like... Damn! What the heck? What is this?
He's delivering it.
Damn. Just casually, bro. Just casually. Yeah, hella fire, bro. Blacked out window tints. Also the wingless look. Can't forget. Looks so much better without the wing. I still gotta fix that freaking gas cap, dude. I actually have the part at the shop. So the whole new actuator, whatever it is, that's gonna be going in very soon. But man, so far the M3 looks so good, man. I love these stock wheels too. Honestly, over the competition wheels, I like these a lot. But yeah, man. It's rubbing a little bit though. I gotta probably raise it just a tad. It's rubbing right here. But other than that though, it looks so much better. Just needs a front lip, needs some side skirts. Especially in this lighting, bro, this windshield tint is hitting. You literally cannot see through it at all. I'm probably gonna rub here. You hear that? It's rubbing so bad. He freaking jumped. I was in 4th gear. Oh my gosh, you guys hear that? Oh, bro, that sounds so bad. Oh, nah, that's crazy. Damn, Jack in the Box sound like he sounds fire. Not gonna lie. That's wild. Hey. No, so one of the homies got pulled over in the blue BRZ. Bro, I don't know where they came from. There's like 2 cops came out of nowhere. And they just lit him up.
Oh, that shit was bullshit, bro.
Dude, you're a free man. Oh. So I heard they got you for swerving?
Yeah, swerving, bro.
They thought you were drunk, huh?
I thought I was drunk. He was like when he pulled up next to me,
yeah.
Or when he came up to my window, he was like, dude, hands on the fucking wheels. Why are you driving around like that?
No way.
Like, dude, the road is like ass, so I'm just trying to swerve.
Yeah, we're all just swerving. Bro, the road was so bad where we were. That's crazy. I mean, at least they let him go though. That's good. All right, y'all, pulled up to the gas station. Damn, the Frozen is hitting right now in this lighting. You could really see the Frozen paint. But got my carne asada fries. Bro, this is hitting right now. It's like 10 at night right now. But yeah, man, I'll just chilling. How you liking the fries? This is peak Sunday night.
The things we have to do to get this fries, man.
I know.
I had to get pulled
He
over.
sacrificed almost his freaking car.
We have to walk through people doing the freaking...
Oh, I didn't know. I did a film, bro. We're in... It was so
We go
good.
through all of it for this, bro. That was good. They were worth it.
We had to see male genitalia.
Right.
Freaking-
We had to see that too.
Some freaking dude pulled his shorts down in front. Bro, that was crazy. But anyways, I'm glad you didn't get a ticket though, bro. That's good you didn't get a ticket.
Bro, I thought I was gonna get one.
I thought you were gonna get stay ref, bro. I was scared. I was like,
I
no.
wasn't really too worried about getting stay ref.
Really? You just have cat back, yeah?
It's just a cat back.
Not bad, not bad. Blacked out M's. Damn, I look so aggressive. Sheesh, I love the front ends of these. The front end is so hard now. Yeah, I just need a lip, man. I'm thinking like the GT4 style lip on this thing. I don't know, I'm still kind of searching, but yeah, a lip, some side skirts. I gotta fix this rubbing issue, bro. It's rubbing so bad. I feel like it's like somewhere right here. I'm messing with the F80, bro. We got some VB content coming very soon. I got so many parts at the shop with the VB. I've honestly just been so focused on the M3. Haven't been showing love to any of the other cars really. Also got a Mustang video coming soon. Powder coated the wheels. It just got it back yesterday, but yeah, man, I've just been, ever since I got the F80, I've just been enjoying this thing, you know, driving this thing every single day to work, to everywhere. But yeah, I really wanted to knock out these spacers, and then probably after this video we'll focus on the VB and stuff. Yeah, man, I hope you guys are liking the M3 content, bro. It's something so different on the channel. You know, Euro I have not done. It's like a nice little refreshing change to the channel, I feel like. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. You guys liking the M3 content? Is it too much? Should I focus on the other cars more? Yeah, I'm curious to see what you guys think. Like I said, it's a big change on the channel, so feedback, comments, whatever you guys have to say down in the comments. That's crazy. With the M3 in the middle, that's fire.
Oh my god, this thumbnail right here, bro.
Yeah.
BMW.
You're next, dude. You're next.
Oh,
Trading the
man.
Type R?
Maybe.
What you getting? G80? F80? M340?
That M2.
M2. Okay, M2.
Oh, what the fucky, dude? What the fucky?
Touchless wash. We'll see how it goes. I have low expectations, but I need a wash bad, so we'll see how it goes.
It missed the back.
Missed the back?
It missed the back.
Damn.
Dang, man. You just gotta drive really fast. His butt's still wet.